This video will show you how to install your Waka TV on your PC.
So we have two options. First option is to get a USB TV tuner and it plugs into your PC like a flash drive. Install the driver, then open the software it came with like Total Media or Next PVR. Now scan for channels and boom, like TV on your desktop, you can see Waka TV. Next is the option 2 will be install an IPTV player like VLC, Kodi, or mild PTV player. Then load your IPTV playlist or M3U link from your provider. Now you've got tons of channels over the internet, including Waka TV. So how can you access Waka TV is just simply go to Play Store and download the app by AFTV News. Also, if you are not familiar or not compatible with the options that I have given, you can just run a Play Store on your PC and download the Waka TV.